Good morning everyone. So this one is the preparation of my alaga. It means to say alaga, si Sisi yun. Alaga I call her alaga because I am the nanny. And oh, I'm making a video. But it depends. Sometimes I make fried egg or salmon with cheese. It depends what we have there, or every day it depends. Or cornflakes, but now I prepare this one. Just wake up and in the school also it depends upon. That's what I'm telling. It depends everything in every day. It's not the same. I prepared for the breakfast of Sisi because si Coco just milk and I make already for the lunch and later this one for Coco for the small baby girl. That one is blender steam first. I make steam hair and then after that one it's make blender. So that is the result. Okay, so she can eat that one all in the other side and in the other side sometimes for the lunch or before she sleep at the night. Mga 3 o'clock. It depends. But every day I give her. It's a vegetable. All vegetable. The squash, the, what's that? Tomato, patata, and the carrots, and the sweet potato, yung kamote kung sa atin pa sa Pilipinas. And then, ano ba yun? Yung parang upo, kung sa atin pa upo. Kusa ang tawag nila dito. So, yun yung i-prepare ko para kay Coco. And now that is the kitchen. And this one, I prepare si Sarah. I prepare this one for the cooking of Sarah for her breakfast, but not yet. Maybe later pa. Okay. So, I make already my rice, white rice, because when I make blender for the Coco, I make also that one egg with rice. Para full, what's that, completely ba, vegetable with soy rice lang naman. It's not, mga tablespoon I use, and then the egg, boiled egg, because that is very important for the health talaga. So this one, mostly talaga I eat this one. Anytime, breakfast, lunch, dinner, it depends. And sometimes almost ang rice, always rice talaga. And egg, everyday, boiled egg or fried egg. Boiled, mostly watch that boiled egg talaga. Because that is good for our health. Okay, so that's all. And just I see she's talking and talking na yung alaga ko. Si Coco yan. She's talking and talking. They're talking together. Because they are wake up already. Si Coco, she wake up almost be with me. That's all. Okay, so bye-bye. More blessings. God bless. Keep up. So, kumusta to all. And thank you so much to all of them talaga. Thank you so much and bye-bye.